Oh hi, it's Nye. Okay. I am aware that my foundation is a little too beige for my skin, but I ran out of the one that actually matched my skin, so I had to use this one, okay? So nobody drag me. The one that I normally use is the NYX Total Control drop foundation in the shade Caramel because it has beige and olive undertones, and this one just kind of has beige undertones, so you know, that's the thing. But in this video, we are going to be living through makeup. Well, living through makeup for Coachella because I'm broke and I can't fly all the way over to Coachella, so I'm going to, you know, live there in spirit and through makeup because I'm just like a sad, broke little black college student, you know. Since this is Coachella and there is nothing natural about Coachella, I figured let's get a little crazy. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this fake Jaclyn Hill palette and go in with this warm brown right here. And it's not that expensive. I just saw it online and was like, I could do this for a video. And then I just never bought the real Jaclyn Hill palette, so you know, that's a thing. So I'm just gonna be putting this in the crease. Don't ask me why I have a blue shirt on and like a blue sports bra on and like a red thing. I didn't have any more of these. Okay, so I just threw on the red one. I'm gonna keep smacking myself in the head. Next we're gonna take this like green, this like turquoise green, I don't know my colors. And we're gonna put this, oh god, that's gonna muddy, isn't it? I don't know where I'm going with this. I tried to film this video yesterday and it was atrocious. And I tried to do like something else with this look and I hated it. So we're just gonna, you know, we're just gonna have fun. Plus by the time that I was like, I had already taken my eye makeup off 2 times and it was getting like, it was like actually like dark outside. And I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna have time to finish this. So we're just gonna end it. And I got frustrated because I hated everything because it actually was like the most atrocious thing I had ever done in my life. If you guys still want me to like get the real Jaclyn Hill palette and actually like compare the fake one and the real one, I also have a fake Huda Beauty palette, so but I don't got Huda Beauty money, so that one might have to wait. But the Jaclyn Hill one's only like what, like 27, 28 bucks. It's not that expensive. So to that light brown, that chocolate brown, a little bit of that chocolate. I also know that I haven't posted on this channel in like 3 weeks. Nyla's sorry. She just like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, she got lazy. So you know, it's just, everybody gets lazy every now and again. This kind of like, I guess you'd say cobalt blue. And oh, I don't know if I like that. Did I just ruin this again? Oh god. Then we're gonna go back into that green and put that on the edge. And then go in with that blue, that like light shimmery blue, and put that on like the inner half. Going back into that cobalt blue and putting that in the center. Spray a little setting spray on it and go into that blue and just and then patting it to kind of diffuse infuse it into. I'm gonna be lining my waterline and my tight line. I can't, okay, I'm gonna be out of frame for this because I can't do this. And then I'm just gonna do like, I'm not gonna line this part, I'm just gonna line the corner as to like, you know, cover up the fact that this wouldn't like blend very well. Oh girl, as long as I can give my love to you, you should be giving me your love too. Cause I would never be that cool to you. That's gonna be as good as that wing's gonna get, cause yeah, no, I'm not trying to, you know, like you go like this and you're like, oh man, I messed up, and then oh man, and then it's like across your entire face. Yeah, I'm not trying to have that happen. So I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then maybe do lashes, like false lashes, and then I'll come back. Y'all, I am so sorry, but I was filming earlier. As you can see, it's like dark out now. I was filming earlier and I did this eye only to realize, because like I sat down and I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna edit this and upload it today. As you can see, as you cannot see, as you can see, I am editing this video right now, and I was looking through and I was like, wait, where's the clip of me doing this eye and like this side of my face and everything? And I went through the camera to like look for it, only to realize I didn't hit the record button. I was literally sitting there talking to myself like an idiot. I was like so I'm sorry, I didn't mean to, it wasn't my fault. Well, it was my fault, but like I'm just gonna, you know, tell you what I did instead because I can't go back now. And I'm not refilming this, so sorry. Sorry about it. So what I did was I went into the fake Jaclyn Hill palette. Okay, I don't know if this is good lighting. Let's turn this way. And can you see me talking to myself in the camera? Probably this way, but it's better lighting. I don't care. So I took, hold on, I took this orange right here and I put that in my crease, and then I took a mixture of this red and this red, and then I put that on the outside. It's already faded because, you know, I need to stop talking in that voice, but you know, it's already faded because obviously I've been wearing this for a while. And then I went into the fake Huda Beauty palette and I took a mixture of rose gold and trust fund and put that on the inner part. Again, it's faded because I didn't use an eyeshadow primer and, you know, it's been a couple hours. So that's what I did. And then I took that same orange that we used in the crease and I put it on my bottom lash line. And again, I tight lined and I did the tight line, and I lined my waterline with the same black pencil. And then I again did eyeliner, and I took off the lashes because they were annoying and I can't put them on right. So I just stuck with mascara, and then I took the gold right there, and I put that on the inner corner on this side because I didn't like, I used a blue before but I didn't like it, so I put it here, here, and here. That's all I did. I'm sorry, but your girl, if your girl hasn't posted in 3 weeks, what makes you think she's gonna redo this video? Like, the laziness is real. So that's what I did. I apologize that I was an idiot, like literally, like there's air in here. And continue with the video. let me stop. So I figured, you know, why not just go out all out and just, you know, do black lip. And then I tried to put a blue gloss over it. Well, it's supposed to be like a lipstick, but you know, we all saw how that review went. But it just ended up making it look glossy, so you know, it's a glossy black lip, because why not? So this, y'all just saw all the snatchage of my wig. Okay, I mean, it doesn't look natural anyway, but like, you know what I mean? But that's this side. I decided to change the blue because it looked ugly, and I put gold instead. And it's just, it's so shiny. And then this is this side, and for the highlight on this side, I just took from the fake Huda Beauty palette the shade Rose Gold, Trust Fund, and Angelic, and just kind of, you know, mixed them together. But yeah, I actually, and then I just took the gold from the side and just decided to put it on the middle because why not? I couldn't let this video end with y'all seeing the ratchetry that was that head scarf that I tried to do. So, you know, you're welcome. So I just threw on a little wig, you know. I love how the part stops right there, and then it's like baby hairs, and then it's like, but you know, God, it's all over my mouth. That's what she said. Okay. So I actually really like how this turned out. It turned out way better than yesterday. Yesterday was a catastrophe. Let me know which side you like better. It kind of turned into more of like a fire and ice kind of thing. So whatever, we're just gonna call it fire and ice Coachella makeup look or whatever. My wig trying to snitch on itself. Can you not? Thank you. Excuse me. Hello. Anyways, that's all that I had for this video. I keep looking at myself. But that's all that I had for this video. If you liked it. Oh wait, I didn't show you my outfit. I don't know if you can see me, but these are my pants. And it doesn't have a zipper, it just has these buttons. I don't know if you can see that, but it has these buttons here. And then this crop top. I like how it just like dropped it low real quick. Anyways, that's what I would wear because I heard it's hot and I'm not trying to die. So anyways, that's all that I had for this video. If you liked it, then good for you. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. I just realized I didn't shave my armpits and y'all saw all of the snitchetry. Okay, whatever. I don't care. I don't care anymore. I just don't care anymore. Okay, bye.